All right, what it do, my easy peasy family? And we are back in the kitchen with another easy peasy recipe. Hey, do you guys like onion rings? I was thinking about something. I want to do something a little different. So today, family, we're going to do some pepper rings. Let's get in the kitchen and let's get it started. All right, we got our pepper. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take that top off, and then we're going to take the bottom. Take that top and bottom off, and all we're going to do is take our blade, and we're just going to go around in the middle, and we're going to get all of that out. Now we're going to turn it on the side, and now we're finna make some little rings. It's already seasoned. We're just going to add a little water, and we want to make this a thick consistency. All right, now we finna get into these bad boys. Look at that. We got some pepper rings, a substitute for onion rings. I got me a little ketchup right here on the side. Let's see what we working with. The sweetness of that pepper, better than onion rings. Guys, give this a try. We got some pepper rings right here with your easy peasy chef. Man, these are good. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.